Hey guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to earn free gifts on Temu. So in order to do that, first of all launch Temu application. Now once you are here, make sure that you are logged on to your account. Now simply tap on the option of You. Now over here, tap on the option of Earn Credits and Free Gifts at the bottom. With that, you'll come to this page. Now just select the first option, that is $50 items. With that, you will be led to this page. Now over here, you can choose any free items according to your preferences. You can choose up to 5 items. So all you have to do is choose these options according to your preference. And then simply tap on the option of Pick the Gift. After this, you can see that this gift has been added to my cart. You can add up to 5 gifts. You can pick 4 more gifts to win all free gifts. Or if you wish to, you can choose gifts according to your choice and then simply tap on the option of Pick These at the right-hand corner. So it says that you are entitled to 5 free gifts. So in my case, I just picked 3. So I'm just going to tap on the option of I'm good. If you wish to, you can also tap on Back to get all 5. So as I tapped on I'm good, I will be led to this page where you can see the reduction of total amount for my free gifts. So I'm going to save 10.97 US dollars. Also, in order to receive the free gifts, you have to tap on just Share to cut more, and then you have to share this to your friends on various social media platforms so that you can get free gifts. Share more times in order to cut off more prices for your free gifts on Temu. So this is it for today's video, and if you found this video helpful and informative, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.